What's up YouTube? Welcome to New Parenting Training. So today I got this Nest Protect. This is a smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. We actually have one this installed once we're moving to the new house. And it's been working out really well for us for the past 3-4 years. And now the first floor, I want to replace the smoke detector. So I got another one. So before I never done a unboxing for the first one. So today I'm going to do an unboxing for this one and also show you how to install it as well. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. One of the cool thing about this is that it actually has a little LED light. If our hallway light is turned off, this can kind of act as if it's a hallway light. So it kind of brightens up the hallway a little bit for us to see at night. So this is pretty cool. There's a little box here outside. So once you open it up, there's a little sticker on the back. You pull that. Yeah, now you can just slide the bottom portion out. There we go. Now here are the instruction booklets. So they do come with two variety. One is battery powered, the other one is wire. So we opt for this one is wire, 120 volt. So make sure that you actually have 120 volt to go out for this to able to connect to. Otherwise, you might want to get with the battery version. All right, here is the Nest Protect. This is the product itself. So this thing has a 10-year shelf. So it's supposed to replace every 10 years. Alright, so here's a bottom portion, the base. You're supposed to screw this onto the wall first before you put this on top. Cable stuff for wire cable and also screws. And now let me show you how to install this thing onto your wall and set it up. If you look on the back of the plate, there's a little tab here. It kind of tells you what you need to do. So step one is to set up via the app and then install this physical thing onto the ceiling. Now, one of the things that you need to do is there's a tab here. You need to pull this.
Hi from Nest.
Hola, saludos de Nest.
Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. The test is finished. Everything looks good.
Alright, sweet. Everything looks good. So anyway, let's take a look on the back. So this is where you need to plug in the 120 volt onto here so it will get electricity. And if you take a look underneath here, so this is the tab that we pulled earlier. So there are 3 batteries in there. And then you have this USB, but I'm not quite sure what that actually do. According to the instruction, this is not for normal use, so don't even bother with that. Alright, so next what we need to do is to connect this Nest to your Wi-Fi. So you have to download this Nest app. Now we already installed one of this upstairs, so this will be the second one I'm going to install. So it will be a little bit different than what you will experience if you install it for the first time. Now what you need to do once you download the app, log in or sign up, and then you click on here to find the button here, add product. It's toward the bottom. You add, and it will need to scan the QR code on the back. It's right here. Alright, now it's connecting. So next.
Connected.
Once that's done, click on next, path light. So this is pretty cool. At nighttime, you don't need to have a hallway light. This will kind of act like one, and it's pretty bright. You can set up sound check. Usually we just set it at the default. Alright, so it's now done. Alright, so time to install this thing. So this is what I used to have. And you just kind of twist and then it comes right off. For typical fire alarm, smoke alarm, they have 3 wires, as you can see here. This is what, black, yellow, and white. Now the Nest Protect only require 2 wires. So you have the white to white, black to black, and the yellow one you don't need to hook it up to anywhere. So what you need to do now is just kind of rotate this thing, the yellow tab, and then get this out, and then you can install the new wire. Now before you unhook the wires, make sure you turn off your the breaker. Turn that off, so that way you can ensure you don't get hurt while you're working on this. All right, let me go switch the breaker off. Now I just need to unscrew the screws here to get this plate off. And then as far as for this one, you're supposed to just twist. It should come right off. See here. All right, so since all the wires, the back end is being painted, I don't want to mess up the color. Since I just removed the black one, I'm gonna put on the black one first, one at a time. And so what you do is you just put the provided cap over it, the wires, and just twist till it's snug. There. And then now let's move on to, let me remove this cap. And then now the white one. So remove the white one, you put on the white one. So that way you won't get the color messed up. Now as far as for the yellow, since you don't really need it, you can just cut it off. But you know what, I'm just going to remove all this, the whole thing. And then put back the cap. Alright, now it's finished. So you have black to black. Now even though some of that has been painted, but I can still see some of the black wires, color wire. So you just put on there. And then this white to white. And this essentially is red, whatever it was before, but I don't need to worry about that. So that just hang out by itself. It's not connected to the main wires here. So this is only has 2 colors, black and white. The plate has an orientation. There's a side that goes onto the ceiling. There's a side that hangs out. So anyway, so if you look at the side that says screw, that's facing down. Now if you see the side that says no screw, that's facing toward the wall. So now use the screw that's been provided by Nest. The 2 provided screws will fit the one on the side, not the center. Not the center. So if you want to screw a screw on the side, either here or here, and then go corresponding to the adjacent side. So that's how this will look like. I only use 2 screws, they provide with 4. Now the last bit where you need to connect the Nest Protect, plug in, and then what you need to do is find the corresponding place where you can rotate. Oh, there you go. All right, so now this thing is on. Let's turn back on the power switch. And that's how you install it. It's pretty simple. You just need to take some time to unwire and then put the new wire on. It's really straightforward. Anyway, if you have any questions, comment down below. Until next time, bye.